Hi, today I'm going to do a grungy eye makeup look using 3 or 2 pencils and an eye gloss. I want to keep it modern, I want to keep it simple and at the same time very flattering. My base is done, I will not repeat all the steps, you already have seen it several times. I want to start with the cream eyeshadow. This is Yves Rocher, it is a high street brand, very affordable price point. It is stated that it is really life-proof, waterproof, however, I don't feel that they have very long longevity. First of all, we apply the light brown color and I want to blend it with my fingertips. I want to use minimum brushes, minimum tools, minimum products, and at the same time I want to achieve very flattering makeup which will make you look beautiful. Lower lash line. And here I will blend also with my finger, looking upwards while blending. I'm not afraid to go down with the color because when we will add lashes, it will look not as a panda. Don't be afraid. Once again, looking up and blend. This pencil dries out relatively fast, so I need to work as fast as possible. In the packaging the color seems to be very dark, but you can see that you can easily blend it out. So this is the swatch. You can see how easily the color can be blended into very thin moussey texture, which gives you a shade. So you can leave it with dark brown application or you can thin it out into this very natural beige color. This brown is very nice because it has very slight red undertone, and that is why you can easily blend it into your skin. Adding more on the second eye, blending fast. I'm tapping the product and I'm dragging my eyelid a little bit. The movement is like you are drawing a comma sign with your finger. Something like this if I will do it slowly. The first step is done and now I will use long wear brown pencil. It is a long-lasting formula. With this pencil you should also work very fast. It dries out and after drying it does not move. I will swatch the pencil here on the back of my hand. This second brown color, it's much darker. It has gray and black undertones and we will use it for tight lining our eyes. I start to apply the pencil very close to my lash line. You can see that it is considerably darker. I will move a little bit closer to the camera. I do not do any precise application. I'm just feeling the area near the lash line and then once again I start to work in the pencil with my finger. Fast, short strokes. I don't try to draw a precise line. I'm just creating the veil of dark color around my lash line. And by the way, it is a Romanova makeup pencil. It is a waterproof, long-lasting pencil. It is in shade brownie, dark brown, beautiful color. Coming to the lower lash line, I will place the pencil in my waterline. I'm feeling the gaps between the lashes. Place a little bit of pencil in the inner corner of the eye. And once again with the finger, closing my eye, looking up, I try to smudge it a little bit and elongate, not a wing, but elongate the shape a little bit toward the temples. I'm sure that everyone can do this application without any hassles and problems. Elongating a little bit toward the temple. Now the most unpleasant but necessary step, which I do not recommend to avoid, is to push the color into your upper waterline. The process doesn't look nice, but the result is definitely worth it. If I'm drawing near the outer corner of the eye, I try to look in the opposite directions, and that's why the eyes are not as irritated as you are moving near your eye. Looks like this. It's a little bit easier when you look into the opposite direction. Sometimes I close my eyes and I just draw the line under the lashes. One eye is ready. The second one. The next step is to add mascara. I will use black mascara. We need not precise, a little bit clumpy application. I'm just throwing the color on my lashes without any precise shaping or trying to elongate the lashes or to curl the lashes. The only thing which I'm looking for is to push as maximum color as possible to the roots of my lashes, that there are no any gaps between the lash line and the lashes and the lower lash line. Very fast, not precise strokes. I even like this clumpy effect. I would say that I'm doing it on purpose. This was L'Oreal Paradise mascara. And now the most interesting step of our makeup. We will use the eye gloss. This is Tom Ford. It was a limited edition. I don't think that it was present in all markets. It was most unconscious purchase, because I'm more than sure that you should not buy such type of product from the premium brand. You just don't need to do it. There are more brands on the market which will give you the same or even better quality. I just love the packaging. I was attracted to this product. I just wanted to buy it. I was not able to resist. C'est la vie. For this makeup purposes, you can use even a lip gloss, but if this lip gloss doesn't have any mint components inside or any plumping components inside. I don't want to make a direct application, and I don't want to make this wand dirty. I'm loading the product on the back of my hand, and with my finger I'm transferring the gloss on the eyelid. For sure, the longevity of this makeup is not the highest. Even though we have long wear products underneath this gloss, the gloss will slide away and you will have a lot of gloss in your crease, a little bit under your eyes. It will really look very smudgy, grungy. I want to add a little bit more gloss. I also think that this look is very sexy, and it looks so sexy because it doesn't seem that you put a lot of effort, that you just have woken up after the crazy party and now you are continuing your party weekend or something like this. What else I would like to do? I would like to tone down my lips a little bit, because I don't want this pink natural lip pigment to break the whole vibe of the look. Or maybe I will use the pencil, the first one, the eyeshadow which we were using. It's a little bit easier to blend. In the outer corners, on the top lid. Now I will take small dot of concealer and I will work on the contour of my lips, tone down this color a little bit, and to blend in the contour which we've done with the eyeshadow. Now I will take the lip gloss. It is in the nude shade. It has a lot of gray and lilac pigments to it. I don't want to add a lot of gloss because we have a lot of gloss on our eyes. So now this is the finished look, and you can see that I have a lot of lid gloss in the crease, but it was done on purpose. I really like this look. You can really do this look easily with minimum amount of products which you already have in your makeup kit. So experiment, try. If something is not working for you, you can easily take the makeup off and start once again. If you have enjoyed the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Your reaction is very important for this channel. There are more videos on this channel. Keep tuned. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.